Init kaayong panahon karon bisag nag-ice. Nag-ice mi tugnaw kaayo. Kanina wala ng ice. Glass. Meine really sunni schatze. We're going to Holland. Mag-buy ng favorite fish. America ka. Alam nyo guys, super lamig kami ngayon guys. Alam kong hindi kayo interesado, sinasabi ko lang. Ayun yung aming ano, hindi ka Aldi DM.
Hindi ka Aldi DM.
Yes. Yes. Yes, upa. Este papa. Omexon upa. Upa. Das ist mein Upa. Papa und Schatzi. Hi. Wow, Upa, Schatzi, Papa. So we're going to Holland to buy some fish because I really love fish. I used to eat fish in Philippines, but sadly here I cannot buy here fresh. I only buy here frozen fish, so I have no choice to accept that life. Rashatsi. So we're going now in Gok and then Holland to buy my favorite fish. Fishy. Hey guys. Nine Shatsi. Oh, the is finish ne. As you can see, this I hear that white one is snow or snow or ice. Yeah, the other part is melting because it was hit by the sun, so it. Oh, there one, there. Oh, my husband is too fast driving. Nah. We're going Holland. No, normally Holland and by ons is not so far. I think how many minutes should she drive from home to Holland? 20 minutes?
No, 12 kilometers.
12 kilometers. Not so far. Yeah, it's a kind of part of Holland. It's called Maasdun.
Yeah. Siebengewalt.
Seven Gewalt. So there is a fish. I want to buy salmon and then I want to make it kinilaw. But let's see, because I only bring 20 euro plus mine man 10 euro.
Which one?
Oy, my husband said he pay nothing. Oh my goodness.
Such a card to bezahlen.
9, I don't have my card. So my husband don't pay my fish. So I'm not his wife. I'm only his klaba. And so as you can see, these trees are no leaves already. Some trees has leaves, some has not, because it's winter here. It's good winter here. There is sunny, yeah. This way going to Poco and Hagibauk. And this way is Holland. Not really Holland siya. Nis nor Holland udah. The next Stephen Gok is Holland udah. Garnis. Huh?
Hintergok?
Yeah, Hintergok basis. Klibi?
Ja, Kleve.
Aso, Klibi.
Asfalten.
Asbadin? Ah. It's so beautiful when winter, but with sunny. It's so nice. Okay, this area is Gok. Yes, this is Gok. LD. You know, I love capturing videos because I'm doing YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. I love social media, but not in the other people's life video, yeah, just like this nature or nature or street or happenings or events, real events events na kasama ako yan. So ito naman ang mga balay-balay ng Gok. Mauni siya, okay. O kana siya na ana mga palitan na siya diha. Mauni siya Kaufland before, pero ngayon is I don't know. Gallery na siya, gallery. Gallery Van Gogh na siya. Gallery Van Gogh. But before is Kaufland. Biso na siya si Christine. Volksbank, where money so many money there. The bank is the bank. Oh wow. Oh wow. I have worked here before, but I quit that work. The old lady is scheisse. Gasdunkerstrasse. We're going to the Gasdunkerstrasse. Yes. Yes, sure. Yes. Yan yung mga bahay-bahay dito. Ito yung nasa city area. Kaning mga nasa nagpanggi parking mo ning way mga parkinganan. Ang ilang parkinganan kana rang street. Allowed na silang magparking. It's a many minute. Oh. 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 In the middle of the hour. Ang balay-balay ako, ang balay-balay. Muna gitawag nila nga Christ Spear Care. Ganyan. Christ Spear Care. We have no in Philippines Christ Spear Care. Because government in Philippines are very corrupt. Very, very, very scheisse and corrupt. On perdonen und Schweine. Now, this way is Holland, oder Schatze?
Door to Holland, ja.
Yes! We are on the road to Holland. Holland. Malapit lang kasi kami sa Holland. 20 minutes lang kami sa Holland. Part ng Holland ha, kasi malaki yung Holland eh. So part ng Holland maas doon 7 Val yan. Diyan kami malapit sa areang yan ng Holland. Ganito yung Holland oh, mga walay bundok-bundok. Leave sign. Walang sunny dito. Shatsi, barong kain sunny here, Shatsi. Hulan is imadungkil.
Holland is immer dunkel. Immer Regen.
Dungkil so dungkil aok libin. Uy, nadagang shop.
Alles scheiße.
Netherlands. Ayun na yung
Jetzt sind wir noch nicht da.
Aso das Team.
Gaston ist noch Deutschland. Dann ist Gaston.
Ito yung private school dito ng mga colleges.
Ja, das ist ein
Nandito yung mga rich people here, yung mga sons, daughter nila. Ito yung international school, university. Kala mo maliit, no?
Universität ist ja nicht Schule.
Das ist nicht Universität?
Nein.
Was ist das?
Gymnasium.
Das ist nur Gymnasium?
Gymnasium.
Kein Universität da?
Nein. Kannst Abitur machen.
Abitur, nur das Abitur. Ja, Abitur is college. I really don't understand the style of the school here. Abitur is college. On college is nicht Universität. Was ist Universität in Deutschland? Das Universität in Philippines is college. Oh my God.
Und was ist Universität?
University is school, university.
Ja. Das ist,
Aber
das ist Schule.
Ja, Schule. Das ist kein, aber kein man da Abitur.
Abitur kannst du ja machen, aber nicht studieren.
Was macht da bin
Und
Abitur
studieren
machen?
tust du nach dem Abi. Nach dem Abitur studierst du.
Ja, was macht da? Was
Dann
macht
gehst
da
du auf
Abi?
Universität.
Ja, was macht da Abi?
Abi ist der Schluss von der Schule.
Ja, und was machen Sie da? Studieren auch Abi.
Nein. Das ist eine Schule.
Oh my God. So guys, we are already in Holland. Do you know that's ilang mga salita kay mga ganyan na oh. Ek for.
Das ist eine Schule. Und die geht bis zum 13. Schuljahr und dann ist fertig. Und dann haben die Leute ein
Da? Okay, bye na kay we are na looking for shunis face na. Fish, hindi pala face na mukha na buang na. Bye.